Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. Again we are ready with today's online videos. So this video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is fractions and the decimals. In the first part of this chapter we are discussing only the fractions, and in the later part we will discuss the decimals. So in the exercise 2.1 we have discussed questions up to question number 4. Today we will discuss question number 5. In this question, one figure is given in which a triangle is constructed on one side of a rectangle and the measurement of the sides are given. We are supposed to find the perimeter of that triangle as well as the perimeter of that rectangle. At the same time we are supposed to find whose perimeter is greater. So first of all we will find the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABE will be equals to sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides, that will be equals to AB plus BE plus EA, and the sides are given. AB is 5 upon 2 plus 2 and 3 by 4 plus 3 and 3 by 5. Now we will convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 plus 5 to the 15, 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5. Afterwards we are supposed to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 5, that will be 20, and we will write the same numbers here, and then we are supposed to multiply. By which number we have to multiply? We have to divide 20 by 2, we will get 10. We are supposed to divide 20 by 4, we will get 5. 20 divided by 5, we will get 4. So here we will write 10 5 ja 50 plus 11 5 ja 55 plus 18 4 ja 72, and the downwards we will get 20. We will add now. So we will get 50 plus 50, 100, 170 and 177 divided by 20. So five plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 17. So this will be the answer. Afterwards we are supposed to convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction. To convert in mixed fraction we are supposed to divide 177 by 20. So 8 times we can divide, and afterwards remaining is 17 upon 20, that is centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter of that rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE will be equals to 2 into length plus breadth, that will be 2 into what is length BE, what is breadth ED. So from here we can see 2 into 2 and 3 by 4 plus 7 upon 6. So when we will solve that, first of all we have to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. Now we have to take the LCM of 4 and 6. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12, and again we will write the same numbers, 11 plus 7, and we will put here the sign of multiplication. By which number we have to multiply? We will see. We will divide 12 by 4, we will get 3, and we are supposed to now divide 12 by 6, we will get 2. Now we will multiply. 11 3 is 33 plus 7 2 is 14 upon 12. So we will get here 2 into 4 plus 3 7, and 3 plus 1 4 upon 12. So by 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. So we will get here 47 upon 6, 6 7 is 42, 7 and 5 upon 6 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. So from here we can observe that the perimeter of triangle and rectangle, the perimeter of triangle is 8 and 17 by 20, and the perimeter of rectangle is 7 and 5 by 6 centimeters. So we can assess directly, this is 8, this is 7. So the perimeter of the triangle is greater than the perimeter of the rectangle. In this way we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this exercise. I hope that you will try to solve the remaining questions, because if you do each and every question here, that will not be good for you. First of all, you are supposed to try. If you are facing any kind of problems, or if you are having any doubt, then you can message us, or either you can call us. We will try to rectify your problems by both the means. If the problem is like that we can sort out on the phone call, that we will sort out. Otherwise we will prepare a new video with a new idea or a new method, so that it will be easier for you to understand and to proceed the questions given in the exercise. After completing the questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number, so that we can maintain the record of the name of the students who are completing the homework on the daily basis as well as correctly. Thank you very much.